Ace your exam with official Cambridge materials. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Cambridge English exams. One of the best ways to prepare for these exams is by using official Cambridge English exam preparation materials. Let's explore what they offer and how they can help you achieve your best score. The Cambridge English exams are designed in a specific way, and to achieve the best results, it's crucial to use materials that align with their format and objectives. Here's why. Accuracy. Official materials are designed by the same experts who create the exams. This ensures that the content, format, and difficulty level are on point. Up-to-date content. Cambridge English regularly updates its exams. Official materials will always be aligned with the latest version of the exam. Trustworthiness. No more second-guessing if an exercise or mock test is accurate. With official materials, you're in safe hands. Cambridge English offers a variety of resources to cater to different learners' needs. Here's a breakdown. Coursebooks. Comprehensive materials that cover all aspects of the exam. They include lessons, exercises, and often mock tests. Practice tests. Perfect for understanding the exam format and practicing under timed conditions. Self-study books. Ideal for learners who prefer studying at their own pace. These come with explanations, tips, and practice exercises. Mobile apps. For those on the go, Cambridge English offers apps to practice different skills anytime, anywhere. Just having the materials isn't enough. Here's how to maximize their effectiveness. Plan your study. Outline a study schedule. For instance, if your exam is in 3 months, break down the sections of your coursebook or self-study book to cover weekly. Practice regularly. Make it a habit. Daily practice, even for just 20 minutes, can make a significant difference. Mock exams. Take them under real exam conditions. This will not only test your knowledge but also build your confidence. Review mistakes. Whenever you make an error, understand why. This helps in avoiding the same mistake in the future. So there you have it. The world of official Cambridge English exam preparation materials is vast and tailored to help you succeed. Remember, consistency is key. We hope this video has been informative and wish you the very best in your Cambridge English exam journey. Happy studying!